Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a wellness spread in my wellness planner, which is actually just a vertical planner from the Happy Planner in classic size called Moody Florals. It is outdated from a couple years ago, but I am using it. I love the dividers and I wanted to utilize a planner I have. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and create this beautiful scene with stickers from Aesthetic Plans. I really like this spring vibe, so that's what we're gonna use, like all of these colorful trees. This is what I am so excited to use. When I saw this, I was kind of taken back how stunning these are. So here we go. It is going to be the last week of March, so March 26th through the 31st. And I'm also going to be using the Fantasy Flower language. I'm not sure why I was misreading this for such a long time. I think I glanced the first time at this and I never corrected my brain. Anyway, so yes, thank you so much for correcting me on that. And those are the two sticker books that we're going to be using. These are so gorgeous, and you'll see how well they play with each other. So there we go. I'm going to start with all of these florals. And look how pretty this is. Like Cassie from Aesthetic Plans did an amazing job designing this book. I am so in love with it. So I'm gonna keep creating this really stunning thing. But as always, I'm gonna do my dots. So I'm just grabbing some Zig pens, and these particular ones are the Ohuhu dot pens. I just wanted a lighter yellow, and they had it in their arrayment of colors. So that's what I'm using. It's very spring and Eastery like, so that's why I'm doing it. Okay, so there's that. And maybe orange for the second part. Let's see. I think I'm going to do orange for the second part, like a pastel one. Yeah, I think that looks good. And it draws this together without taking too much of the colors away. And this one is by the Zig. So these are Zig color pens. Okay, next up, let's pull florals because I want to kind of do this really beautiful border around it. So I'm just going to take a whole bunch of flowers from here and work with it until I'm happy. So just bear with me. I actually have multiple of this book. That's how much I love it. So if you guys have been watching my videos here and there, I probably have used this book to some capacity already. As you can see, a lot of stickers are missing. Okay, so these are on clear, and we're going to cut them in half and kind of place them on the border like. This one's a dark one, so I don't think I even need to remove the lines. It's barely showing. But look how like vivid these flowers are. Yeah, this book does not want to stay open. It's probably saying like, you use me so much. But that's what stickers are for, right? We're meant to use them. So let me go ahead and start playing with more of this border because it is absolutely stunning. Look at that one. We're gonna add some yellow for sure because I need some yellow in here. So I'm gonna add a full yellow in here. But on the other side, I'm gonna have to cut it short because I don't think it's enough space. So let's do that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I am loving this. I also need some flowers on the bottom and on the top. So on the top, I'm gonna look for smaller ones so I can still date my planner. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm obsessing over this. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. It's kind of skinny-ish, so we can cut it in half and then place it on like the top. So let's, oh, and this one too. So let's see how that plays out. Here we go. Blue on this side. Oh yeah, that works out pretty well. And skinny, where it's not blocking anything. And then this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me know if you guys are obsessed with these flowers as much as I am, because they are absolutely stunning. Like, I don't think my camera even does justice to how pretty they truly are. So I'm going to move this right here so I can still write the dates. Yep, let's cut this one. This tiny little one. I'm going to put it right here. It can live right there. This one can live right here. I still need something on the top, like very, very little. Let's see. Maybe I can just use this blue one and like pop it in there. Let's see, let's see. Does that work? Oh my gosh, look, even like the two little petals are so beautiful. Okay, and then I want to add something to the bottom, and then we're gonna name them, and that's it. So, because obviously I track my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, and then on the top I track sleep, mood, steps, and whether I took my meds and vitamins that day. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I am in love with this spread. Let me know what you guys think, because like I said, I absolutely love this. And thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know if you guys have this book, and if you do, if you love it. I will see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks. Bye.